3 one digit numbers. Here it is a 3 one digit numbers we are adding. 3, that is so adding horizontally. This is what horizontally means, like this. This is a horizontally. 4 plus 3 plus 1, how much? 4 balls is here and 3 balls and 1 balls. First we have to make 4 and 3. First and second. After what answer is coming, and after answer we are adding the third one. 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 and 1, that is a 8. 4 plus 3, that is a 7, and remaining 1 plus 1 and 8, that is a 8 balls. So, or we have to write down like this also, like this also. Okay, 3 plus 1, first they are adding, they are remaining, that is 4 is remaining same, and second one, third one they are taken this one here. So 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 4, that is 8. Here we have added number in two different order. We have added numbers in two different orders. How? First they are taken one first place and this one second, and afterwards the second and third, and remaining part, that is they are added here. So, but it did not change the answer. Answer is not changing. So, now let us see how we can add three numbers vertically. Adding vertically. So, now what we learned, that is a horizontal. Now we are learning adding vertically. Vertically means what? That is a standing line. First, what is that one? See, first step, add 4 and 3 by counting forward. Counting forward means addition. So, and write the answer. 4 plus 3, 4 in the mind, 3 in the hand, 4 afterwards, 5, 6, 7. 7 we have to write down. And second step, that is again by counting forward, add 7 and 1. Now we are adding 7 and 1 and write the answer. 7 and 1, that is a 7 plus 1, that is a 8. So this is a vertically. My practice time 4. Draw the balls and find the sums. Here they are telling this is a horizontal. 6 plus 2 and plus 1. 6 balls are here, and afterwards they are telling 2 balls and 1 balls. Afterwards we have to add this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. Second one, the B. Here they are telling 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 balls, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 balls, 1, 2, again plus 1, 2. We have to count together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 2 plus 5 plus 1. 2. 1, 2 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 ball. So altogether we have to count this one. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. What is this one? This is all sums are horizontally. Okay. Now D1. 4 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 ball and plus 1. We are counting together. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 balls are here. Second one, add vertically. We are adding the vertically. That is A1. 3 plus 1, 4. Whatever you are writing first, you have to in circle we have to write down 4. 4 plus 2, that is a 6. First you have to add first and second, afterwards third one. Here 1 plus 5 plus 1, that is 6, and 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 4 plus 1, 5. First you have to add first one and second one. That is what answer is coming. In circle you have to write down, and afterwards this one and last one we have to add this one. 1 plus 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 that is 7, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8. The answer is 8. Now we are solving the story sum. What is the story? Story sum means the word problem is like story. Problem is like story. We have to read it carefully. When you are solving the story sums, we have to read it carefully. Understand what it says, what it is saying, and then do the addition of the numbers. Afterwards we have to do the addition to find the sum. We want to answer, so that is a sum. Sum means answer. For this we can draw a picture. We can draw the picture and add some of the words we will see in the words problem related to addition. When we are solving the story sums, in that the word is like this: together, altogether, sum, plus, in all. This is what? This is a addition sums. Okay, now we will solve. Geeta has 2 pencils. Geeta has 2 pencils. 1 and 2. Lata has 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3. Then what they are telling here, story sum, how many pencil are there in all? How many pencil? Now see, 2 plus 3. First is what? First they are telling 2. Yes, no? Second, Lata has 3 balls. Okay, we have to 1, 2. We have to make a sticks, and afterwards 3, 1, 2, 3. We have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. What is this one problem? This is a word problem. This is a problem story sums. Okay. Now we will solve the sum. Now we are solving the what story sums. Solve the following addition story. Addition stories. What? Here there were 3 hens. 3 hens are here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yes, no? Then what? And 4 chicks. 4 chicks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what they are telling? On a farm. It is the all hens and chicks are in the farm. Okay. How many birds were in there in all means addition. You have to underline this one. 3 hens, 1, 2, 3, and chicks 1, 2, 3, 4. They are asking all. What they are asking? All in on the farm. So first 3 you have to write down, afterwards 4. 3 plus 4, that is a 7. Who is not know the how to write down? You have to make a stick. You have to draw the sticks, and afterwards you have to count. Then thus there were 7 birds in all. Okay, the 7 birds are in all. See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, got this one. Let us see B1. There are 4 cookies on the plate. On the plate, 4 cookies are there. Then afterwards what happened? Zahira added 2 more cookies. She added 2 more cookies. How many cookies are there in all? How many cookies are there in all? 4 and 2. See? Then all together, that is all means you have to underline all. 4 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All together, that is all in the on the plate. That is a 6 cookies. First 4, afterwards she is adding 2. Then all means how many? That is addition. So 6. Thus there are 6 cookies on the plate. In all. Okay. Now we will solve C1. Sanchita has 3 balloons. Sanchita has 3 balloons. Her brother gave her 5 balloons more. How many balloons are there with Sanchita? Sanchita, see. First, she has only 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. Yes, no? And afterwards, her brother gave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5. And afterwards, what you have to do? 3 remaining and write the 5 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And count 3 afterwards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Thus, Sanchita has 8 balloons. 8 balloons. Okay. D1. D1 what? Rama had 1 football. His friend gave him 2 more footballs. How many footballs does Rama have now? So, now see, Rama have only 1. Rama had only 1. Afterwards, his friend gave 2 more footballs. First 1, afterwards 2, 1 plus 2 and 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So thus Rama has 3 footballs now. What is this one all? This is a word problem. That is a story sums. Got it this one? So you have to write down in your fair book also and test book also. Okay, bye. See you. Next class we will meet.
Properties of addition. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. In this, adding 0 and adding 1 and all the properties in the addition. 3 are coming. That is what? Adding 0. If you are adding 0, what comes? And if you are adding 1, what comes the answer? And another one is, that is all the properties in the addition. If you are changing order, what can we get? So this is what properties of addition. Now we will move on. Adding 0. Adding 0. When 0 is added, when we are adding the 0 to the number, the answer is always the same number. The answer is always same number. When we are adding anything to the 0, the numbers should be same only. If the 3 plus 0, the answer is only 3 only, because 0 no value. So the ball, here is a ball, 2 balls. 2 balls, nothing is here, means 2 balls, 0 balls, and what should comes? 2 balls only. So 2 balls and nothing is there, that is 0 balls, and answer should be that answer, same number is coming, no? So 2 number. Now 2 balls. Now 3 cars, nothing. We are adding nothing. The 3 cars are there. We are not adding anything. The answer should be same only. 3 cars in the parking place. The 3 cars are standing. They are standing there, and that is not going anywhere. So nobody is coming and nobody is taking. So how many cars are there in there? Now 3 only. Say like 3. Anything you are adding 0. The answer should be same only. 3 cars plus 0 cars will be that one 3 cars only. What this one property? Adding 0. If you are adding 0, what happened? If you are adding 0, the answer should be same only. So if your car here, we are adding 0, what should answer comes? The same answer is coming, that is a what. So what we are adding, that answer is coming. So when the 0 is added to the number, we are adding to the number, the answer is always same number. That is what? Adding 0. Now we are moving. What? Adding 1. We are adding 1. When 1 is adding to the number, answer should be what? The next number is coming. The answer is always the number that comes just after. If you are adding 1, that is after. we are moving one step forward. So here it is a 4 pencils, and if you are adding 1, how many you are getting? One step you have to move forward, that is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what? Adding 1. I have 6 apples. If I add 1, 6 plus 1, that is a 7. It is what? It is a forward. We are moving the step 1. Just after. Okay. Now order properties in addition. Order property means what? When we add the numbers, even if their order is changed, the answer remains the same. When we add the numbers, even if there is a order is changed, but answer is same. Now let us see 3 balls and 2 balls. 3 plus 2, 5 balls. What I am doing? I am changing the order. First 3 balls and second is 2. Now 2 balls, second is 3 balls. Then I am getting the 5 answers same. Here also same 5 and here also same 5. That is 5 balls. What we did here? Order property. What is this one? Order property. If I am adding anything, you are changing that one, but answer is same. So 3 balls plus 2 balls. Here 3 balls plus 2 balls. Answer 5. Now I am changing 2 plus 3. Here it is a 3 plus 2. Here it is a 2 plus 3. But answer is 5 only. So this is the order property in addition. In the properties of addition, 0 property, adding 0, adding 1, and order property in the addition. Okay, next we will move on the exercise part.
Hello, now we are learning properties of addition. Just explanation are given. Now we are seeing in the textbook. Properties of addition. Adding 0. Adding 0 means what? This is a property. Properties of addition. In that adding 0. When 0 is added to the number, when we are adding the 0, the answer is always the same number. The answer is coming same number. For example, 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Nothing is here. Nothing is here means that is a 0 apples, and total 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Okay. So 3 apples plus nothing is means that is a 0 apples is equal to 3 only. So always the answer is comes same number. Number will be come there. Okay. That is what? Adding 0. This is a properties of addition. Try now this. See here how many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, no? And here nothing is there. So 0. And is equal to how many pencils are there again? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pencils. Now we have to count 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 pencil only. Okay, this is what? 0 property, adding 0. If we are adding 0, the answer should be the number itself only coming. Now adding 1. Adding 1 means that is a forward. We are adding 1 means that is a next number. That is a forward or after. When 1 is added to the number, the answer is always the number that comes just after. For example, see 3 apples are here. They are adding 1 apple. How many apples? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples plus 1 apple. Then 4 apples. 3 plus 1, that is a 4. So when 1 is adding to the number, then just after it is coming, that is a forward or a next number. So now we will try this one. This is a 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus 1, they are adding 1 pencil. How many pencil are here? 4. 4 afterwards what? 5. Just comes after, that is a just after, that is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils. This is what? Adding 1. If we are adding 1, what comes the just after, that is a forward number it is coming. Okay, then order property. Order property means we are changing the numbers but answer is coming same only. When we added the numbers, even if their order is changed, the answer remains the same. For example, see, when we added the numbers, when we are adding the numbers, if I am taking 2 plus 3, that is what? 5, and we are changing the order, 3 plus 2, that is also 5. When we added the number, even if their order is changed, but answer is remaining same only. For example, here, see this one here, 3 teddy bears are here, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. 4 teddy bears are there, and how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first 3 teddy bears, 3 plus 4, that is 7. First place, that is the first position is, this is a 3, and afterward is, that is a 3, and afterward is 4. The answer is 7. Then next step, what they are doing? They are changing the order. Here it is a 4, second one is 4. First one is place, that is a 4, and first place is going second place, that is a 3. 1 2 3 4 plus 3. 1 2 3, 3 teddy bears, and answer should be, that is what will come? Same answer, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The answer is same. When we are adding, even the order is changed. The order, here it is a 3 and plus 4. Then afterward is 4 plus 3. I am telling this is 3 plus 4, 7. I am writing here 5 plus 3. No. Here only the numbers are changing. So that is a order property of what? Addition. So answer is the same. The answer is coming same only. So that is what? Order property in addition. Now try this. Here it is a 6 butterfly and 2 butterfly. The answer is what? 8 butterfly. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2, adding 2, and answer is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. Now we are adding, see here it is a order property is changing. They are changing the number. Here it is a 2 and here it is a 6. First 6 plus 2, 8, and 2 plus 6. Now 1 2 first place and 1 2 3 4 5 6 second place. So 2 plus 6, that is answer is 8. The answer is the same. When the order property is what? If there are order property is changing, the answer should be same only. Thus 6 plus 2 or 2 plus 6, the answer is same. The answer is same. So 6 plus 2, first 6, that is coming last, and last is coming first place. So 6 plus 2 and 2 plus 6, that is a 8. Now my fun time. What this one? Color the addition problem with the color code of property they belong to. Adding 0, where it is coming, we have to color the orange. Adding 1 means white. Order property means green color, we have to color. See, 0 property means what? Adding 0 means if you are adding, the number comes itself only. 5 plus 0, that is also 5. So it is a adding 0 property. And 6 plus 0, that is a 6. So this is a property of 0 property, adding 0 property. 3 plus 0, that is a 3 only. This is also 0 property. Now adding 1 means white color, we have to put 1 plus, that is a 7 plus 1. It is a coming, the just comes, yes, no, just after comes, that is a 8. 7 afterwards 8. 2 plus 1, 3. Here it is a white color. 1 plus, that is a 4 plus 1, 5. Just comes the number. 4 afterwards what? 5. We are moving forward, that is a next number. when you are coming the next number, when the comes this one next number, that is a adding 1. That is a property of adding 1. See here it is a 3 plus 4, answer is 7, and 4 plus 3, the answer is 7. Here it is what? The changing order is changing. 3 is coming last and 2 is coming first. So this is order property. Order property what they told? The green color you have to put. So green color. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 5, that is 9. Here it is all what? Order property. Here it is a changing the order. So but answer is same. 3 plus 1, that is 4. 1 plus 3, that is also 4. See, this is the order property. Which is order property? We have to put green color. Which is adding 1, we have to put 1 white color. And which is a 0, we are putting orange color. Have you seen above the color pattern somewhere here else also? So this is a Indian flag colors. Color, yes, no? Orange, white and green. Okay. What we learnt? We learnt addition symbol. Yes, no? Addition using on a number strip. And addition by counting forward. Properties of addition, vertical addition, horizontal addition, and adding 3 one-digit numbers. Addition means what? To put together. Forward means to move ahead. Learn, my learning beyond. Look at the different numbers combining this combination given below. Look at different numbers combinations given below. Study these combinations using the given picture and fill in the box. Number combination. See, they are combination. They are doing combination of 1. 1 they are doing. See here it is a 1. 1 what? That is a laddu. Yes, no? So we are adding nothing means what? See, 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. So 0 you have to put the combination. 0 plus 1, that also 1. Now combination of 4. Combination of 4 they are doing. 1 they did and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing means that is 0. 4 plus 0, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only. 1, 2, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. The answer should be 4 only comes. Okay. So we have to combination of making a 4. 2 plus 2 laddus and 2 laddus. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 1 and 3 laddus. 1 plus 3, that is a 4. Nothing is here. 1 plus nothing is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 laddus. 0 plus 4, that is a 4 only. The combination of 4 like this, that is a homework for you. Now make number combination for the numbers. 2 you have to do, 3, 5, 6, 7 like this. Up and 8 and 9 in your notebook. How they did? The combination of 4. The answer should becomes 4 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this you have to go. Got this one? Okay, now we will move on. Evaluate, that is a questions, answers we are solving, that is the sums we are solving. Evaluate. Evaluate means, see here it is, we have to match this one. What we have to do? We have to match this one. Match the following. See, first one 7 plus 5. Second one 3 plus 9, 6 and 5 plus 0. And fourth one 4 plus 1 plus 4. Now we have to match this one. First we have to make a addition. 7 plus 5, that is a 12. 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 0, that is what? 0 coming? No, that is a 5 only. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 1 plus 3, that is a 4 plus 1. 5 plus 3, that is 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 tens and 2 ones, that is a 12. So now we have to got the answer. 12 means where is the 12? That is a D1. We have to match this one. 12, that is 1 is, the sum is 12. Here are also 12. So you have to match. First one is D and second one is 9. 3 plus 6, that is a 9. 6 plus 3, that is a 9. 5 plus 0, that is a 5. and 4 plus 1, that is a 5. Third one, B. 4 plus 1 plus 3, that is 8. 2 plus 6, that is a 8. So fourth one, E. You have to match this one. Now filling B1, find the missing numbers in the following sums. See here, it is a missing, so you have to fill up. Now you have to 7-9. 7 is there and 9 is there. So you have to put the lines, and afterwards what 9 sticks you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then how much you have to scratch? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The remaining what? 2. Like this you have to do. Now here it is a dash plus 4 is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to cross 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 2. Then 5 plus 0, the 5 plus 5, its number is coming means that is a 0 property. 5 plus 0 means 5 only. Otherwise you have put 5 sticks, and afterwards you have to cross this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing is there. Now 6 plus dash 7. So that is a 7 means 6 plus 7 means that is a just comes the number. No, that is a adding 1, the property of adding 1. So 7 you have to make a line, and afterwards you have to cross out the 6. Then remaining 1. Got this one? The finding of missing numbers. Now we are solving solve the C1, solve the following numbers problems and match the letters with the answers providing below. Also write the hidden words formed by joining the letters. See, first we have to make a sums and addition, and afterwards we have to do 9 plus 4, that is a 13. That is 13 means A. 3 plus 4 plus 2, that is a 9. That is a 9 means B. 5 more than the 11, that is a 16. 5 more means that is 11 means 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, that is a code S. The bigger number out of 6 and 10, that is a bigger. Which is a bigger? 10 is a bigger. The 10 code is U. The number just before, that is 18. Just before means that is 17, C. So now we have to do this one. 13 means A, and 9 means what? 9 means B. 9 means B. 9 code is B. 13 code is also A, and 17 is code, that is a C, and 10 is U, and 16 is S. What this one word? Abacus. Abacus. So D1 we are following. This is Rahul found 5 balls in the storerooms, and Garima found 4 balls in the field. If they have kept 3 balls with the teacher, then find out the total number of balls they have. So here it is a story sum. The total means that is a addition. See, Rahul found ball in storeroom, that is a 5, and Garima found the ball in field, and 3 balls kept with the teacher. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, that is a 12. So this one is what? Story sum. So D1 is last. This is the second chapter, last this one page. So you have to write down all in your fair book. Got the point? Then next period or next class I will continue third chapter. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Take care of you all.